Hey guys, so welcome to our plane. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, it's so cool. I know, right? Cool. What does cool mean, Mom? I got totally no idea. Oh my god, look, the card of me? Huh? The business class, and the first class. Stop running around, Nancy. This is a cabin. What's a cabin? Yeah, what's a cabin, Mom? A plane. It's a plane, not a playground. Playground? Come on. Seriously? No fun, guys. Alright, so I'll just bring you guys to your seat. Alright, okay, so basically I got all the luggage packed in our cabin. Okay, so you guys choose. I want this one by the window. I got a big window. Haha. I don't care. As for Juliet, Juliet. Here you go, Juliet. Wait. Alright, great. Wow, even babies have their own. No. I actually paid extra. What? My money! Oh, so the girls are here, and so we'll be sharing. So Riley, you have to be alone now. Huh? Actually, I'm sharing with Riley. What? As you say that, someone will have to be a loner. Fine, I'm the dad. The man. Mom, I'll sit here. Oh, sure, okay. Oh my god, look, we have our own bed. Riley, oh. What's wrong, Mom? Nothing. Okay, don't jump so high. Alright, sweetheart. Here you go. I'll just put this up. Oh. Alright. Just play my games. Yeah. Oh my god. Why you keep saying, oh my god, Serena? Oh, don't you just not get my name is Selena. Oh yeah, Selena. Don't you just not get it, Elise? I'm so excited. We are gonna get famous for recording us on the yeah. Oh yeah, let's just go to our business class. Or social, yeah, cool recording. Yeah, I'll just sit there. Here you go, cameraman and mine. Come on, Ellis. Move up. Oh. Alright, I'll just sit to my academy. Oh my god. Is that actually the Samuel? I'm a big fan of them. Ooh, so the TVs were here the whole time. Yes, sir. The TV. Yes, sir. We don't have any more. We don't have space, so here's the TV. Riley, do you know where Nancy went? I think she went over there. And Nancy, why must you always run around? But Mom, I knew they were real. No, we are paid actors. See, now get back. Paid actress? Oh no, we're just actors. Yeah, actors. YouTubers. So back to us, so the plane's about to take off. Alright everyone, we are about to take off. Please make sure you remain in your seat. Fasten your seatbelt. I fasten my seatbelt. open the window. Nancy. What, ma'am? Open the window. Okay, ma'am. Good. Now we'll be taking off. My God, Mom, I'm so excited. Alrighty, did you been in the plane for so long? Oops. I'll just oh my God, we're flying. Ah! Nancy, we literally went into, this is literally our third time. Stop screaming. Everything will be fine. Ah! Who's screaming loud, Mom? Oh, no need to scream, yeah. Ah! Who's screaming? Ah! Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh my God, Karena, be quiet. See what you've done? Not my fault. Alright, just let out. Okay. This video is so funny. It got me off. iPad! 大头弟弟 Oh! iPad? Mom! What is it again, Nancy? You caused me enough headaches. Mom! Yes? iPad! Weren't you holding it? I didn't hold it. I think I left it at Burger King. We gotta fly back. Huh? Nancy, get back to your seat. I'm so sorry. Okay. We left it there. Nancy, I'll be not buying you. Can we just grab it back once we went back to Malaysia? No. People will steal it. This is not Japan. That it takes so. Wait, what, Japan? Of course, I'm just kidding. It's okay. As the manliest man in the world, I got your iPad. Why didn't you told me that before? Oopsies. Here you go. I'm the manliest man in the world. What's wrong, Juliet? You want to sleep? Guess not. Do you have a play here? Oh, here. Wait. Okay. Wait, why can't I just put you on this? Finally. Wait, happy? Seriously. Yeah, go just sleep. Forget it. My God. See, Riley, one day you'll be next. Hey, remember how Grandma died? Yeah, one day you'll be next. Alright, it's time for food. What do you guys want? I would like fish and chips. You better finish that all. What would you like, ma'am? Oh, just some salad. Sir? Oh, I want the chicken. Where should go? Oh, I would like the burger. Oh, here you go. Yep. Sir? Oh, I would like the potato balls. Okay. So one of you like pepperoni and pizza and one of you like pineapple, right? How did you know? You forget me? Of course, how could I not forget you? Well, here's your, oops, sorry. Here's your dish and here's yours. Alright, so would you like, I want this. Okay, so I'll just keep my, oop. Amazing. Alright, oh, I would like the fruit plate. How about you? Hamburgers. The girls? Oh, hi, hi. We would like the ramen. Alright. Yummy. Oh, how could I ever forget about your precious little baby? Oops, sorry. Good. I'll just eat this all. Oops. Still edible. Nom nom. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Here you go, darling. Alright. My daughter is so... Alright, it's night time now. They have closed the lights so we can sleep. No more iPad time. We weren't using your iPad. I saw you guys just now. Fine. But are we seriously gonna sleep in this? Yeah. No. You guys suddenly got first class. Just shut it up. Now go to bed, Nancy. Go to bed. Go to Mom. Oh. Good night, my baby. Good night, my baby girl. Well, she was pretty tired the whole day. La 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 la. Well, I'll just close the TV, I guess. So peaceful and quiet in here. Man, I wish I could sleep. But no, I can't. Oh, well.